We're continuing our discussion on data validation in the dialog component, and next I'd like to discuss the different error reporting styles that are available. So this particular style is called icon, and that means that all field level validation errors are shown with an icon that appears next to the field, and by holding the mouse over the icon you get to see what the actual error message is. So let's go back now and look at the various styles. So we have block, inline, tip, icon, and global. So let's go now and take a look at block. So when I move out of the field now, you can see that the error message appears over there underneath the field. So actually let's go and turn off the rule that prevents the data from being submitted if there's a client-side validation error. So we'll press submit now. I press submit, and now you can see there's our error. So the block style displays the error message right there without using the icon and requiring the user to hover over it. Then after block we have inline. So again, let's go here now, and you can see there that we display it to the right of the message. Then we have tip over here, where the error message is there's no icon, but it's similar to icon, and when you just hold your mouse over the field, which is clearly indicated with the error style, you can see what the error message is. And then finally we have global, and let's go here and leave that blank, go there and type in Smith and XX, and then hit the submit, and you can see that all of the error messages get displayed at the top of the screen in one concise summary. And when you move your mouse over the error message at the top here, the actual field in error gets highlighted. You can see the border changing, and vice versa. When I move my mouse over the field here, the error in the top window gets bolded. So that's the global style. And you can see here that if I type in, say, alpha and then submit, that the dialog validation errors get combined with the field validation errors in this global area up here at the top. So next, what I'd like to discuss is validation policies. So the policy basically allows you to specify whether when the user submits the dialog, whether all fields in the dialog are validated or only the dirty fields. So let's go back now and take a look at where that option is set here. So so you can see here's our validation option, and currently because this is not checked, we're validating all of the fields in the dialog, whether or not the user actually touched them or not. So you can see here, if I go there and type in Smith and then hit submit, basically even though we never actually made the first name field dirty, it got validated. So now let's go back now and turn this option on. Go back there and type in Smith and then hit the submit button, and you can see our error message for Smith appears, but the error for first name does not appear because that field was not dirty. So typically in a dialog component, you're going to want to validate all the fields, not just the dirty fields, but the option is there for you to choose. So let's pause now and pick this up in the next video.